In this question, we have a look at how to create a sidecar for logging. The easiest way is to have a look at the Kubernetes documentation and look for an example. If we find one, we can edit the YAML file and set the right values. Let's first go to the documentation. And we will look for a sidecar example. This one looks okay, let's copy it. And let's create a YAML file. And we paste it here. Let's edit the name first. And we can delete the last container. We save the file. And let's create a pod with kubectl create-f. And that's done. And finally, let's verify. Yes, and it's running. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.